It's a beautiful day with a fine view. This setting has the potential to deliver a beautiful and truly spectacular sunset. Shame that it's been ruined by all of these persistent artificial trails. Let's sit here and admire what's left of this epic sunset and examine exactly what these persistent artificial trails are. They seem to be the result of an undisclosed program of intentional aerosol geoengineering, rather than the product of harmless condensation. If they really are just harmless condensation trails, then they will all disappear within 2 minutes. Let's find out. If you are interested in learning more about this subject, please click on the links to my previous videos below. It's now 5 minutes later, and all of these trails still look very similar to before. Therefore, they are not condensation trails. Although the sun setting over the yellow sea may make them appear colorful, they are in fact chemical trails. So don't be happy about their presence. They are not natural or beautiful. Let's focus now on a plane flying at an altitude in between all of these trails. If this plane is leaving no condensation trail, then what on earth are all of these other persistent trails doing here? Their persistence and nature of their presence indicates that these are chemical trails. It may be difficult to accurately speculate exactly what is the purpose of all of these chemical trails. It could be to control the world's production and supply of food, it could be to poison and thus depopulate humanity, or it could be to destroy the natural world. But if one thing is for certain, it is artificially altering the weather globally. The knock-on effects of this undisclosed geoengineering program are vast, and the implications are huge, all of which are negative for us and the Earth as a whole. Great ways to tell that these trails aren't condensation trails are by studying their shape and consistency. Notice this spiraling shaped trail in the center here. Does this corkscrew-shaped trail look like the product of a normal commercial flight path to you? Observe this arch-shaped trail with a big hole in the middle. Does the break in this arch shape look like it can be explained away by humidity differences? To conclude, these chemical trails are anything but natural and are the product of an as yet undisclosed geoengineering agenda. Good night.